So we're going to use the psoas spine to get into that hamstring. Now, we can do it with just being on the floor. And this all depends on how far you're sitting forward and also how much pressure that you're putting down. Okay, so we can be able to even lean back and just rotate our legs side to side, which can feel really nice on that hamstring, especially when you pull it up higher and getting into that connection here and just rotating side to side. That can feel really nice. You can do it at a diagonal. Another way there. Another way that's really nice too is we put this on a yoga block, which now gets our leg off the ground, puts it in more of a bent position, which is a great position to be in when you're getting into your hamstrings. We want the hamstring to be relaxed, which you have to bend your knee in order for that to happen. And then same thing, pull it up nice and high. If you don't have any wrist issues, then we can come up under our wrist, and then we can start to apply more of our body weight pressure onto that psoas spine, which feels really, really nice. Same thing, we can be able to change the angle here. That can feel a lot different. Doing these little rotational stuff, we can go all the way right in line. Maybe the psoas spine is too long for you. You can be able to just focus on this back part here. You don't even have to lift your leg up. If you want to lift the leg up, still try to keep the leg, don't try to keep it straight, right, like this. Try to have at least have a nice little bend in it. It doesn't have to be a super big bend, but even just something simple, just like this. All right? Now you can also try it on a chair or on a bench, like I have in that other previous video, where you can then be able to get in there. That's really nice because then you can have that leg be even more bent and be able to get a nice extension here. So try that next time you have the psoas spine. Grab a yoga block, press into it, shift side to side, see if you can be able to get a nice little release in that hamstring.